Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the brand new Samsung HW-Q990F, Samsung's flagship Dolby Atmos Soundbar system for 2025. We're talking full Dolby Atmos and DTS X support, a 11.1.4 channel layout, dual wireless rear speakers, an upgraded wireless subwoofer, and the addition of Samsung and Google's brand new immersive format called Eclipse Audio. You're also getting continued support for things like space-fit room calibration and HDMI 2 pass-through with 4K at 120 Hz for gaming. So it seems like this surround sound system has it all for the $1,799 price tag. But the big question is, does it live up to its promises? Well, let's dive into a detailed review of these features and see whether this matches your style and needs. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's start off with the design and build quality. At a glance, the Q990F doesn't look dramatically different from the Q990D. Samsung seems to have stuck to its familiar, angular, edgy aesthetic, which some might say is starting to feel a little dated. While it's not exactly turning heads with a new visual identity, it's still a solid and cohesive design. The dual rear speakers remain compact and wireless, only requiring a power cable to operate, which makes for an easy and clean setup, something we've always appreciated. The real change comes with the new wireless subwoofer. Samsung has swapped out the larger cuboid sub from the Q990D for a much sleeker, space-saving cube design. That's a big design shift in both visually and functionally. So if you're all about clean setups and compact gear, this design could work great for you. Just don't expect a full-blown redesign. Moving on to setup and connectivity, Samsung has kept things impressively streamlined here. The Q990F still features wireless connectivity for the rear speakers and subwoofer, so setup is super straightforward. Just plug in the power cables and you're good to go. The Q990D already offered HDMI 2 pass-through with support for 4K at 120 Hz, VRR, and ALLM, which was a huge plus for gamers and high-end home cinema setups. And just like the previous model, this soundbar includes Samsung's SpaceFit Sound Pro calibration system. The cool part is, it runs constantly in the background to adapt the sound to your room's shape and speaker placement. So if you hate fiddling with audio settings but want optimized sound at all times, this feature is a total win. When it comes to speaker configuration and audio format support, the Q990F sticks to the winning formula of its predecessor, with a full 11.1.1.4 channel setup. If you're not familiar with that, it essentially means you're getting 11 main channels, 1 subwoofer channel, and 4 upward-firing drivers for height effects, perfect for true Dolby Atmos immersion. That included 6 elliptical mid-range drivers, 3 tweeters, 4 side-firing units, and 2 up-firing speakers. Each of the rear speakers had 3 drivers as well, 1 forward, 1 side, and 1 upward firing. So basically, sound is coming at you from every direction. What's new here is the addition of Samsung's latest Eclipse audio technology, developed in partnership with Google. Combine that with Dolby Atmos and DTS X, and you're looking at a soundbar that covers every major format under the sun. So whether you're watching a Netflix Atmos movie, gaming on a next-gen console, or streaming music from your phone, you're completely covered. In terms of performance, this thing is looking like a worthy follow-up. We haven't had a full test in our home cinema lab yet, but Samsung did let us get a sneak peek in a sound-treated room. The big surprise was the new compact subwoofer. Smaller subs often come with performance sacrifices, especially in bass-heavy scenes or music, but that wasn't the case here. Samsung's using dual 8-inch opposing drivers in this cube, designed to cancel out vibration and keep bass clean. And from what we heard, it works. The bass was punchy and tight, with no signs of the rattly overhang we noticed on the Q990D. That's a huge improvement if you're sensitive to muddy low-end sound. The rest of the system sounded just as immersive as before, maybe even a little more refined. Dialogue was crisp, surround effects felt fluid and natural, and the musicality was surprisingly engaging. It's clear Samsung didn't just copy-paste last year's formula. They've been fine-tuning the overall experience. So, if you love the Q990D, the Q990F feels like a smarter, better balanced upgrade that keeps the wow factor alive. As for my final verdict, the Samsung HW-Q990F is a top-tier surround sound system that checks a lot of boxes. It builds on the excellence of the Q990D with smarter tweaks like the space-saving Cube subwoofer, immersive new Eclipse audio support, and potentially even better tuning across the board. If you've got a modern TV, love action movies or immersive gaming, or just want room-filling sound without diving into a complicated AV receiver setup, this could be your next big upgrade. Thanks for watching. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments.